guys, welcome back to our channel. Balance Group, more than manufacturer. I'm Shai from Balance Group. In previous introductions, we have presented our two-post lift with base. Now we are going to introduce a floor clean one. This lift is designed for garage owners who do not want to have pipers or covers on the floor, so they can have a clean looking for their garage. Now please follow me to see those arms. Our standard arm for T40EB is two-stage arms. Length is 800 to 1220 mm. But we have other options for you. If you do not like this type, we have short arm which is 1080 mm and long arms which can reach 1420 mm. And we have three-stage arms with length 1310 mm. If the height is not enough, we have two solutions. First one, we can screw up our adjustable pad. For it has 3 layers, then we can have extra height. If not enough, we can add this 70 mm adapter. This part is standard configuration for this model. 4 pieces for each piece. For the locking device, it is an automatic all-steel arm locking device, which is quite safe after locking. This is a classic model, so we have some wonderful details to share. Please kindly check the motor. Our standard one is aluminum motor, not iron one, which is more durable for using. Inside our oil cylinder, we have safety valve. So when some accidents happened, the lift will not drop sharply. Besides, we have many kinds of rubber pads to protect the car from possible scratches, like car door protection, arm pad. In order to extend the lifetime of the machine, we have equipped with dust protection. For the safety of operator, we have this foot protection device to avoid possible risk. After researching a lot, finally we have made 2890 mm as final width between two columns. The width can help workshops or garage owners in dealing with more kinds of cars, so quite practical for using. For all the U40 series, the max lifting height is 1.91 meter, for we have taken the average height of European customers into consideration. Last but not least, we have to introduce our two-steps column design. The column height is 3750 mm. 20 feet container is only 6 meters in length. So in order to load as many as we can to lower down your shipping cost, we have made this column in this way. With the help of this design, we have found a balance point between maintaining function and cost. As we always said, safety at first. In order to protect our customers' deep profit, we are proud enough to say our two-post lifts are confirmed to CE standard, certified by TÜV German. I'm Shai from Balance Group. Thanks for your special visiting. Please keep following our live studio. More wonderful productions is waiting for you.